We have been welcoming McAllen ISD second graders for the past 5 weeks as they learn and explore the secrets of soil through our newest exhibit, Dig It. We've invited several of the district leadership team and MISD school board members to take a sneak peek at what happens on an MISD second grade field experience here at the museum.
We're blessed to have a wonderful working relationship with IMAS. They allow us to expand our learning opportunities. In McAllen ISD, we're an A-rated school district because we work hard as a team. And now to partner with IMAS and take our relationship to a whole different level puts us in a position to expand our learning opportunities beyond the classroom. And that's what's so powerful about IMAS is the hands-on experiences and opportunities for students to expand their learning from the classroom into an environment where they can really problem solve and hypothesize and follow set procedures and collect data and draw conclusions, and things that they do in the classroom they can now connect to real life things here at IMAS, and it's just a blessing for McAllen ISD and our students.
This will help the students have a firm foundation of the sciences and the process of critical thinking in that process of discovery, starting at the elementary level and going on to the high school.